Oh man. Ooh, big head shakes. What's up, you beautiful bass holes? I'm out here on the river again. Got about 4 dozen shrimp. I just met a guy who just subscribed to the channel. What's up, Steve? I caught a bunch of ladyfish the last time I was out here. Fight like hell, fun to catch, but not really a highly sought after fish. But anyways, it's always good to hear that drag peeling. I'm gonna get out here. We've got a nice incoming tide right now. Beautiful day down here in Florida. We're up in the 80s. There's absolutely zero complaints about that. So stay tuned. A ton of boats out here today. We're marking fish already, so we're gonna start off with this voodoo shrimp mullet, or voodoo mullet. A little pro cure, of course. So we're in 11 feet of water now. See lines of bait marking through here. No way. First cast. Looks like a ladyfish. God, these things fight like crazy. $21 at the fork, 24 total. Well, that's the biggest ladyfish I've ever caught. No way. Dolphins are back. Oh, there's the one with the baby. There must be a whole pot out here. Something just darted out of here. No way. What the hell? Fish on. Oh, big head shakes. What do we got? No way, sheepshead. Yeah. Oh my God, that's a good size one. All right, new species. Oh God, he choked it. I'm not sure what size. I'm gonna look up what sizes I can keep. All right, so if he is 12 inches, he is dinner. Oh, he's well over. 14 inch. Nice. He swallowed that anyway. Let's see if I can get it out. Well, it's a good thing he's dinner because he choked this thing. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Beautiful fish. Absolutely gorgeous. Alright. Alright, I'm gonna have to makeshift a stringer. Alright. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. First catch and cook on the kayak, y'all. 14.5 inch sheepshead. Gonna be delicious. There's a hit. Come on. Oh, there was something chasing it. What was that? I'm gonna fish down this bank here, and then there's a little inlet back there. Oh my goodness. Oh man, another ladyfish. Oh man. Yeah, that one's even bigger. They are pretty fish. They're in the tarpon family. on this guy. $20.5 to the fork and $23.5. Another one, gosh. Oh, look at the red. What is that? That's. Oh, look at the red. What is that? That's Jack's. Another one. All right, there was Jack with him. Let's get something moving. Oh, what do we got there? Something just swam off. Big stingrays. Woo! Something swimming away from me right there. Bunch of little rays out here. Well, y'all, that is gonna wrap it up for today. What an awesome day. First sheepshead, big enough to eat. So it's gonna provide a delicious dinner for my family tonight. They're a super sustainable fish. There's an abundance of them. And plus he swallowed the hook. So he was gonna die anyways. So we're gonna bring him home, fry him up. I might add that to the end of this video. At least just the final product. Probably not the whole process, but we're gonna fry it up. We're gonna eat it. Epic day. Tons of ladyfish. Got a couple bites from some jack revolves. Saw a bunch of schools of them. Just a beautiful day on the river. So thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, go after what you want and never quit. What do you think, babe?
Delicious.